Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Chevy Traverse steering wheel. This common issue can be a bit frustrating, but it's usually very easy to fix. The steering wheel locks as a security measure, preventing theft and ensuring your vehicle stays put when parked. We'll walk through the simple steps to get you back on the road quickly and without hassle. The most common method involves a gentle wiggle and turn. First, insert your key completely into the ignition. Next, apply slight pressure to the key as if you're trying to turn the engine on. While holding that pressure, gently wiggle the steering wheel from side to side. You should feel the lock release, allowing the key to turn freely and start your vehicle. If the wiggle and turn method doesn't work immediately, don't worry. First, double-check that your gear selector is firmly in park. Sometimes, a slightly misaligned shifter can prevent the key from turning. Also, try using a spare key if you have one, as a worn key can sometimes cause issues. Remember, never force the key or the steering wheel as this could cause damage. If you've tried these steps and your steering wheel remains locked, it might indicate a deeper issue. Check your vehicle's battery, as a low charge can sometimes affect the ignition system. If the problem persists, it could be a faulty ignition switch or a worn-out key cylinder. In such cases, it's best to contact a certified mechanic for a professional diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.